Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out how to change your country or region in eFootball 2025 mobile without losing any data. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you the steps one by one, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the eFootball app and go to Extras, then tap on Support. Step 2, tap on Link Data and make sure your Konami ID is already linked. If it's not, link it before continuing. Step 3, now open your browser and search for My Konami. Click on the first result, which is my.konami.net. Step 4, log in with your Konami ID. Once you're logged in, go to Personal Information. Step 5, find the Country or Region section. Tap it, select your new country, and click Next. Step 6, agree to the terms and conditions, then click Next again to confirm. Step 7, that's it. Your country or region will be updated, and it will reflect inside your eFootball game. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides.